Hi there, I'm Vladimir. Here I am. Today, I would like to show you our office, and I will take you on a short tour. We begin at the main entrance. Is the starting point for employers, visitors. Here is a parking lot. As you see, there is enough space for employees, clients, for everyone. Let's go inside. First stop is the main warehouse. So here is main warehouse. This is where we store essential equipment, component. As you see, it is big enough. Now let's step into the office. Here are stairs, by their stairs. We are going to main office. Here's reception. Next we enter in the meeting room. Here we conduct discussions with clients, partners. This is where our employees work. Here the training room. In this place we provide professional courses, training for our customers. Also, our specialists receive trainings here. And we arrive at the technical support office. Here's my technical support room. Here's our laboratory, where we test devices, perform repairs, make computer diagnostics for devices. And here we reach the second technical support office, which specialized in service and internet service clients. And finally, we're going to arrive at the second warehouse for optical cables. Here's also a big warehouse. So that's it. Thank you.